Here is how to enable or disable developer options on your Android phone. Developer options provide access to advanced settings that can be useful for developers and other users. And here is how to turn them on. Open your settings on your device, scroll all the way down and go to the option of About Phone. Click on it and look for software information and tap on it. Now find the build number and tap it repeatedly. After a few taps, a message will appear indicating how many taps are left until you become a developer. If not, it will indicate that the developer mode has already been enabled. Now go back to the main settings menu and you should now see the developer options near the bottom. Go ahead and select it to access the settings. Now to turn off the developer options off, you need to go to settings, open developer options and toggle the switch in the top of the screen. Go back to the main settings menu and you'll see that the developer options is no longer there. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.